All right, let's go ahead and divide these polynomials. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to split it up into 3 fractions and reduce. This is a trinomial on top, 1, 2, 3, and a monomial on the bottom. So let's go ahead and split it up. I have 2x to the 4th over negative 2x plus, that's going to be a negative 4x to the 3rd over negative 2x plus 4 over negative 2x. Now the first term over here we're going to reduce. 2 and 2 reduce down to 1. I have 1x in the denominator, which cancels one of the x's in the numerator, leaving me with 3 x's in the numerator. Make that brown. Okay, my first term, what am I left with? I'm left with a negative x to the 3rd. Plus, now my next term, notice it's negative over negative, which is positive. So I can keep this as a plus right here. The 2 and the 4 will reduce. 2 goes into here once, 2 goes into here twice. And for the x's, 1x in the denominator. This 1x cancels one of these, leaving me with 2. And for this term, I'm left with 2x squared. Which brings me to the last term. Now I am adding a negative, plus a negative is a minus. And the 2 and the 4 will reduce over here. 2 goes into here once, 2 goes into here twice. So in the last term, what am I left with? I'm left with a 2, and I'm left with an x. It's very important to note where the x is. It's down in the denominator. So my last term is going to be 2 over x. Okay, this is a very popular problem. And whenever you see this problem, you should note that the last term is oftentimes a fraction. So just keep that in mind.